The next thing that we're going to look at doing in Canvas is adding a discussion or a chat session that can go along with any kind of lesson or learning that we want students to be able to interact with. They can interact with us directly as the post person from it, or they can read each other's work and be able to comment back and forth to one another within that same learning space. So we're going to go into Sandbox 1. And for the start of this, we're going to go in and find one that's already been built. So I went to discussions and I built a section, just a very simple question. There are a few different versions here. There's pinned, which means I can keep it at the top. There's discussions that I'm posting, and then there's like closed or ones that have been set up and over. So I built one in discussions here, and it's just really simple. What's the best summer learning you've experienced? This is what you would see. This is where the creator would create it. Students or respondents would click into reply, and then once they've put something in, it will show up down here at the bottom, and these would be listed in order of the most recent post being at the top. So the first person in, their information is going to get pushed down as more and more people respond to this. Okay, so that information is there. As the creator of a post, if there was something in here that was not appropriate, you'd be able to go in and click and delete and take care of that as that. But a peer or something can't get in and mess with another kid's link, just the moderator or the creator. Okay, so we have this one. It exists. It's listed as publish up here. So this one's ready to go. The one thing you'll notice is when we go to add it, the dates that it will open for people to be able to respond to are when we're back in school. So I'm going to go to modules because I want to add it into this. You'll see this is the same section. I have my pages, I have my assignments, I have my quiz. So I want to come up here and I want to look for discussions. And so I'm switching to discussion. There's the one I created. I'm going to add it. You'll notice the picture or the icon that goes with this is little boxes that would go with like dialogue for a comic book. And now it's listed there and would be able for us to be able to access it. On the bottom, there's nothing to do to update there. So I would just be able to click and see that that's available for students. And this is when it's at, when it got created. I gave some directions that go along with it. And then students could reply either directly to my post or as the class post in here. And it will link those different posts so that they stay together. Hope that's helpful.